lovely angels, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. I don't have much products with me and I have carried very few brushes. I'm in my hotel room. I have come to Hyderabad and it's my last day today. I'm leaving for home and I have my flight in a few hours. Also, I have done my makeup without using any mirror. I'm just seeing myself in my front camera on my mobile screen. I have recorded this in my mobile phone. I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you in case you want to know how to do your makeup without having any mirror, makeup brushes and products. For my primer, I'm using the Color Essence Pre-Makeup Base. For foundation, I'm using the Studio West foundation and I think it is the second shade. I don't find the shade number anywhere, but I'm pretty sure it was the second shade which I had bought. After taking 2 pumps of foundation on the back of my hand, I'm just warming it a little and then I'm putting it on all over my face using my fingers. This is not one of my favorite foundations, but this packaging makes it very convenient to carry while traveling. After I have applied the foundation all over my face using my fingers, I am using my beauty sponge to press the foundation into my skin. That's the way I usually apply my foundation. First I use my fingers and then I use my makeup sponge. This one is the AOA makeup sponge. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and this one is in the shade 10. I'm not in the mood of extreme highlighting, but I'm applying a little bit of it under my eyes so that we get rid of the dark circles and also our under eyes look sort of highlighted. I'm first blending it using my fingers and then I'll be using a beauty sponge. My oily skin has become normal to dry here in this atmosphere, so I'm not going to apply a compact powder all over my face, but I'll be setting my under eyes using this powder, and I'm using the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact and this one is in the shade Pearl. For my blush, bronzer and highlighter, I'm using the Isadora Face Sculptor and this one is in the shade Warm Peach. I'll be using the same brush for everything, for my compact, blush, bronzer, everything. First I'm taking the bronzer and I'm bronzing under my cheekbones, on my forehead, jawline and the sides of my nose. Next I'm picking up this blush and I'm using it on the apples of my cheeks. I don't carry too many brushes with me while I'm traveling, so I'm using a same brush for everything. Now I'm picking some highlighter. I'm using it on my cheekbones, on my forehead just above my eyebrows, on my nose just under my eyebrows, in my inner corners, my cupid's bow and my chin area. For eyeshadows, I'm using the Swiss Beauty 12 Exotic Color eyeshadows and this one is in the shade Western. First I'm picking up the skin color shade and I'm applying it all over my eyelids, focusing more on my crease area. Then I'm taking this darker skin color shade and I'm using it exactly on my crease. I'm recording using my mobile camera and this lighting together doesn't make out the colors pop, but these are more pigmented in real. Even my blush and contour doesn't show that well. Now I'm using this dark brown color and I'm applying it on the outer area of my eyes. I'm applying it using a C shape and then I'm blending away all the colors. These brushes are from an eye makeup set which is from AOA Sharpness A. Now I'm using this dark pink color using these sponges which are given in the eyeshadows and I'm applying this color all over my eyelid area. I don't usually use these sponges, but I forgot to carry a flat eyeshadow brush and thus I'm using this one. These sponges don't take up much pigment, so I'm using my ring finger to put on the eyeshadow. This is better. Now I'm going to pick up this lighter pink shade and I'm using it only on the inner area of my eyes. I'm going to put on eyeliner. It's the Nykaa Black Magic eyeliner. I'm using the same dark brown shade and I'm applying it on the outer area of my lower eyelid, and then I'm taking this dark pink color and I'm using it to line my lower eyelid. I'm using the Faces Magnetized Kajal on my waterline area. For mascara, I'm using the Ellen Blue mascara. First, I'm coating my upper eyelashes with it and then my lower lashes. For eyebrows, I'm using this pencil from AOA, Sharpness A. First, I'm using the eyebrow product to fill in my eyebrows, and then I'm using the spoolie end of it to brush on my eyebrows so that the product evenly distributes. For lipstick, I'm using the Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse. This is in the shade Blush Velvet. My makeup is done. That's how I got ready. Almost every day I just change my eyeshadows to match up with my dress, but all the eyeshadows that I had used were from this palette. I hope it was helpful for you in case you wanted to know how to do your makeup with limited amount of products and limited amount of brushes. If you enjoyed this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And once you're subscribed, also click on the bell button so that you're notified of all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm very active. I post lots of Insta stories throughout the day and make Insta posts on my feed almost every day. The link to my Instagram will be in the bottom description bar, and I shall see you soon. Until then, bye.